Oh yeah!
Hi, it's me, Ellen, and welcome back to the Ellen on the Air show. Today we have an exciting show as we will be announcing our Bachelor Boy Valentine winner. So if you remember the boys, there's Clark, who loves technology and superheroes, Thomas, who likes to hit the waves with his surfboard, Pete, who loves pizza and video games, and then there's Marcus, a sweet-talking guy who loves sandwiches. Now personally, I would have a really hard time trying to pick just one of these awesome guys, but AllycatlovesAG picked Clark, Truly Me doll number 76. And AllycatlovesAG is our giveaway winner! Woohoo! Congratulations, you just got yourself a super duper cool Valentine date. Well, Clark, what do you have to say?
Hey AllycatAG, I can't wait to meet you. My Valentine. See you soon.
Thanks everyone for tuning into the Ellen on the Air show. I will be back super soon with another American Girl Spirit doll giveaway. Oh wait, did someone just say Molly McIntire? Shh, stay tuned.
Oh yeah!